guys, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I think you should not buy a 2023 RSV4. They get stolen. Alright guys, quick video of the very first 2023 Aprilia RSV4 1100 leaving our shop today with some very tasteful upgrades that I'll highlight for you guys. And also, I was thinking on the way here, why would someone buy a 2023 over a 2022 that you can still find in showrooms today? Join me on my onboard ride and I'll give you guys my honest opinion as to why I think you should and shouldn't. I'll give you a quick walk around. I love this colorway, guys. I love it. It's they're basically bringing back the Sachsenring colorway from, I think it was 2017. I'll paste a picture of it here so you can see. Let me get this angle. I think I can post a picture of just about this angle. I love it. Mostly matte black with some red. I love how look at that tail. Beautiful. Anyway, let's take a close look at these upgrades. SC Project SC1R carbon fiber exhaust. Notice how short this is versus the longer 21 plus model year version. I'll describe details on that below, but yeah, this was slightly modified from a 2019 model. Why did we do that? Well, because this one's a little shorter, in my opinion, looks a little better, sounds a teeny tiny bit better. Now, NRC fender eliminator. This fender eliminator has quickly become the most popular out of our shop. Now, Brembo 17 RCS Corsa Corta front brake master cylinder. Comes with the folding lever. Love this thing. Awesome performance upgrade for your front brakes. On the left side, we see the Rizoma folding and very adjustable clutch lever. Thank you to Christopher for picking this up from us. All right, let's turn this thing on. I didn't want to rev it past 7,000 RPMs as this bike is still being broken in. But love this colorway, guys. I love it. Good job, Aprilia, for bringing this back. Now join me while I put a few more miles on this bike on the freeway to further test some of the mods. And also, I'll share with you my honest opinion on why I think someone should and shouldn't pick up a 2023 RSV4. Let's do it. All right, let's put a few more miles on this thing. Guys, every single exhaust on an RSV4 sounds very good. Even the stock exhaust. I'm gonna link here the flyby sound comparison of 3 different exhausts, including the stock, and you'll see the stock exhaust sounds so good. But of course, the SC Project, the Akrapovich look so much better, and of course sound better. Okay guys, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I think you should not buy a 2023 RSV4 and 3 reasons why I think you should. Let's start with why I think you should. Reason number 1, very important, Reliability. By now, Aprilia has sorted out some of the minor issues that we've seen on the 21 and 22s. For the 21s, we saw some common oil leaks. Simple fixes, but we saw a couple of oil leaks that were very simple warranty repairs. For the 22s, we saw a couple of overheating issues. Simple fixes again. Simple fixes like just diluting the coolant, and that was pretty much it. So, for example, I've been testing the cooling system on this bike during my test ride, and it's working perfectly. Reason number 2, aesthetics. I love this matte black with red accent colorway. It's kind of a throwback to the 2017 RSV4 1000 RR, which I loved. I had one, and I had some of the best track days on that bike. I do like the gray from 2022, but this matte black with red, I love it even more. That's just my personal opinion. Reason number 3 to get a 2023 is future resale value. Most of us don't keep these bikes for more than 2 or 3 years. Wow, look at this beautiful day. Like I was saying, most of us don't keep these bikes for more than 2 or 3 years because we either trade them in for the latest model, or they get stolen, or your insurance company calls it a total loss and takes it away. So, future resale value. In a couple years, a 23 is going to be worth just a little more than a 22 or 21. Now, 3 reasons why you should not buy a 2023. Reason number 1 is price. You can still find, as of today, brand new 2022s in showrooms for at least $1,200 less than a 23. That's at least. Also, related to that is you can get better interest rates on a 22. Currently there are some promotional interest rates, and that's common. Manufacturers will offer promo rates on prior model years that are still in showrooms. So reason number 1 is price. Reason number 2, well, I guess it's aesthetics. If you like that matte gray design, awesome, pick one up. They're still available. Reason number 3. Actually, that was 3 reasons. Price, interest rates, and color. That's it. That's all I got. You know, it's a toss-up. You can save $1,500 or more on a previous model year, and you may not be without the bike waiting for some of the warranty repairs. Even if you do, those repairs were pretty straightforward. Most shops keep those parts in stock, so they're in and out. The bikes aren't sitting at the shop for more than a day or 2. Now let's see if we can get through this traffic and open up this V4 1100 with this SC Project SC1R exhaust. It's a little dangerous. Here we go. I mean, you cannot find a smoother motorcycle. All right, let's get off this freeway.
So, would you pick up a 2022 or 23 RSV4?
Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what you guys want to see more of, as I will be posting a lot more frequently. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you very soon in the next one.